you qualify for short-term disability, here's what you need to know. If you're unable to work because of an illness or injury, short-term disability benefits can help cover your lost income, but not every condition qualifies. And the truth is, many people get denied simply because they didn't understand their policy. Most short-term disability policies cover conditions that temporarily prevent you from working. Things like recovery from surgery, complications during pregnancy, severe illnesses like pneumonia or migraines, or injuries from accidents that happened outside of work. Some policies may even cover mental health conditions like anxiety or depression, but that varies from plan to plan. Here's something many people overlook. Some conditions are automatically excluded. These can include pre-existing conditions, addictions, cosmetic surgery, or anything the insurer deems non